Hi, Jay here with Laguna Tools. I've got a great tech tip here for you today on the DP20 drill press. We're going to do drilling and tapping in this piece of aluminum. Now, when you're doing drilling and tapping functions, you want to make sure that you're set up ahead of time. And I've gone through and done a little bit of setup. I've got my material clamped down securely. I have it center punched. And if I turn on the laser, you'll see that it's already lined up there with the center punch as well. The other piece of prep that I've done is I've gone through and selected the correct drill bit and tapped. Those should be a matched set anytime you're doing drilling and tapping. If not, you really risk the chance of breaking taps. Fortunately, you're not going to break too many taps, but you may over the course of time, and you stand a greater chance of having success when they're a matched set. The drill bit quite often will be a numbered drill bit versus a fractional size drill bit like you normally use, and then the tap will match that numbered bit. Up on the screen, you'll see that I've already got some numbers programmed in here, and I'm using the program functions. So we have the program feature on. I'm on P1, and that means I'm on program 1. Program 1, I've already preset it up for the auto start function. I have my 0 set already, and I have my depth set. My depth is set to 0.62, which is going to through drill the material and give me a clean exit hole. I have my speed set up at 2,500 RPM. I've got that from the drill chart that's on the side of the drill press and in my manual. The other thing that I have is I've got some lubrication. For aluminum, you can use some different types of aluminum drilling and tapping fluid. I find that WD-40 works pretty good in this type of aluminum with these bits. These are tin or titanium nitrate coated bits and taps. Let's go ahead and let the chips fly. I'll go ahead and get my safety glasses on. I've got my program all set up. I'm going to turn the drill press to on. It's armed and it's ready to do the auto start. I'll get a little lubrication here and I may squirt some more during the operation. Let's go ahead and let the chips fly. So that's fantastic. Now I've got my drilling taken care of. I'm going to go through and change out to the tap right now. Okay, I've got my tap installed. I've brought up program number 2. And this will be for my tapping function. With this size tap, I'm going to be tapping at 600 RPM. I've got it set to auto reverse, and that'll auto reverse it at the bottom of the stroke. I've got that set to 0.62, so it'll go through the material, and then it'll automatically back out. Now, one quick note about tapping. In the aluminum, it's pretty soft, and this particular tap, once I start it, it likes to kind of feed itself down. You may find that in aluminum and plastics and things like that, that it may want to feed itself down, even some other applications there. Sometimes in steel, it may not feed down, so you might have to keep applying pressure, and then it'll start to auto-reverse once it gets to the bottom value. Let's go ahead and get it started up. I'm ready to go here. I'm going to apply some lubricant here on the bit, down on the hole, and let's start tapping. And you see how well that went. Very, very easy to do. In this particular case, aluminum is pretty soft material. Steel is going to be a little bit different. And you may choose different types of taps. This particular one is a 2-flute tap. There are some that are 3 or 4-flute taps, and they also have different geometries. This one here has got a sort of a point tip on it here, straight fluted, and this one actually likes to push the shavings down through the cut there. But you'll select the correct tap for your application. Refer to machinist guides if you need to. Go to one of the black books for engineers so you can find drilling and tapping information in there. And if you're looking for any additional information or other settings values, you can select our Tech Tips videos. Go to lagunatools.com, click on the DP20 drill press, and select Tech Tips.